viewers! Welcome to my vlog! Today, I'm gonna show you how my DIY water filtration system and explain how it works. You need the following materials: an empty big plastic water bottle, a glass cup, sand, soil, rocks, cotton balls, and dirty water. First step, put a hole on the bottle cap. It is used to have a way for the filtered water to go out. Now, you can add the cotton or cotton balls. It is used to filter the impurities. Secondly, add sand. The sand acts as a filter for the floating particles. Afterwards, the soil is added. The soil helps filter small particles. Next, you can add rocks. The rocks act as an way of blocking large or visible objects. And finally, add the dirty water and watch how the water gets filtered into clear water. It is not advisable to drink it as the filtration doesn't remove bacteria and only removes the particles. In order for it to be drinkable, you need to distill or boil the water. Goodbye viewers, see you on my next vlog!